We will talk about Profibus-DP, decentralized peripheral. We will show you example where you can use and where it can bring you benefit to your control system. It's a decentralized control system for special control cases that you have to share your control to different locations in distance. Consider if you have a separate control panel here and you need to provide about 100 cable to every chiller. Imagine how much cable you should extend to this system to have such a centralized control. Here is our structure. It's rain. Same labels for wires here, also for digital outputs, for digital inputs and digital output are just coming to the relay. With having just previous wiring help us using the connecting guide, we easily connect them.